Curious about sneaky ways to catch your crush's eye? Here are 10 psychological tricks that might do the trick. But be careful, they can easily backfire. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. The scarcity principle. People want what they can't have. Create that sense of scarcity, but don't push it too far, or you might lose them for good. 2. The jealousy trap. Introducing a little jealousy can make you more desirable, but be careful, this one's a double-edged sword. 3. Power of silence. Sometimes not saying anything says everything. Give them space to wonder what you're thinking. 4. The hot and cold game. Keep them guessing by mixing attention with a bit of distance, but too much of this can drive them away. 5. The mysterious persona. Being mysterious can be alluring, but if they can't figure you out at all, they might give up trying. 6. The ego boost. Compliment them subtly to make them feel good around you. Just don't overdo it, or it might come off as insincere. 7. Playing hard to get. Show interest, but not too much. The chase is exciting, but if it's too hard, they might stop chasing. 8. The reverse psychology. Tell them you're not interested in them to spark curiosity, but be cautious. This might actually work against you. 9. Confuse and conquer. Keep them on their toes by being unpredictable. It can be thrilling, but also exhausting. 10. The what-if technique. Plant a seed of doubt or curiosity in their mind about your feelings. But beware, this can lead to misunderstandings. These tricks are wild, but remember, honesty beats mind games every time. Until next time.